Okay, language laboratory is a room designed for learning foreign language, having audio equipment that allows students to listen and respond to recorded lessons and spoken examples while instructors monitor their progress. And then, the communicative language teaching. What is communicative language teaching? Communicative language teaching is a method which focuses on teaching grammatical structures and temples of sentences and gives little or no importance to how language is actually used practically. And then, the requirements need to be fulfilled for the language lab. Yeah, there are some requirements that need to be fulfilled for the language lab. The first is the goal. The goal should be directed.
Louder, please.
Since the goal of communicative methodology is directed to communicative competence, the use of the language lab should be directed for this purpose. Yeah, the goal or the purpose of the requirement must be clear. And the second is the design should be attempted. The design should be attempted where use of the language laboratory
Berwahid
to expose students with authentic language use. Authentic use refers to both linguistic expression and the communicative message. Linguistic expression related to grammatical, vocabulary, and others, and communicative message related to the student needs and the characteristic of students. And next, the third requirement is the instructional strategies should be in concord. Yeah. The strategies should be in concord with the communicative principles such as communicative gaps, free activities, and others. And the fourth is the lesson should be built integratively. Example, the student given illustrating integration of listening, speaking, writing, and reading skills in lesson unit. So the keywords of the requirement is a language laboratory. Communicative methodology is a medium of instruction. Okay, next. The success of language teaching. Many people still see or think that the success of language teaching program is based on the laboratory. But
Uun, coba tengok videonya berapa.
however, the guarantee of the success or the process of language teaching does not depend on the laboratory, but depend on how well the teacher use the lab as a unit, use the lab unit as a medium. And then there are some factors that related to the principle that instruction is systematic. It means that the success of instruction depends on the effective and the efficient interaction among the components of the instructional system. The first factors that important in success of language teaching process is the teachers. Yeah, of course, in learning process we need the teachers, right? And then the curriculum. And the third is the material, and of course the student access. Like my friend Fanny said before, yeah, the student access in the classroom in learning process is the important point. Okay, next. Wit and wisdom are demanded on the part of the teachers. There are wit and wisdom that must be demanded on the teachers. The first is use the language laboratory as a medium. And then the teachers create a design where use of the language laboratory. Yeah, the teacher must be create a design, must be create interesting design for her teaching process. And then the design strategies which are in concurrent. The teacher must be make design strategies that in concord with her student or his students based on the situation and condition her students. And then good lesson integratively, and the teaching must be taken in integrative activities. Yeah, in the last wisdom, the teacher must be make the teaching process take in integrative activities. Okay, next. There are some strategies in using the language lab by teachers. The first is by teachers in listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Okay, there are some strategies. The first strategies that must be used of the teachers. The first is some are experiences from the field. Yeah, the teachers must gain much information about the strategies of teaching in language laboratory from the field or can be from the other people. And the second is the creativity of individual teachers. Yeah, in the second strategies, of course, the teachers must be a teacher that make the students interesting with her class. And then the third is the ideas are adapted to suit particular local situation and condition. The fourth, the teacher may design decision-making use of communicative strategies. And the fifth is authenticity must become a prominent characteristic of the instructional material. And the sixth, the use of the language lab must be in concord with the instructional objective. Yeah, the instructional objective must be in concord with the students based on the situation and the condition of the students. Okay, next. After talk about the use of language laboratory in communicative methodology, there are some characteristics, or we can call it as advantages of communicative language teaching method. The first is understanding occurs through active student interaction with foreign language. Yeah. After the teachers demanded the wisdom, the teacher will make the students be active in the classroom or in the language lab. And the second is teaching occur by using authentic English text. Yeah, the teachers give the students authentic English text like grammar, template sentences, and others. And the third is students not only learn the second language, but they also learn strategies for understanding. Yeah, after they learn in the in language laboratory, they are not only learn the second language, but they can understand and improve their skills in English. The fourth is the importance is given learners' personal experience and situation, which are considered as an invaluable contribution to the content of the lesson. And the last, using the new language in enhanced context creates learning opportunities outside the classroom. And next, after talk about the use of language laboratory in the communicative methodology, reason that the use of language laboratory is possible and very helpful in communicative teaching mode. And then, as an English teacher in the future, the use of the language lab can always function as a fresh variant of teaching strategies used by the teacher. That's all my explanation about the use of language laboratory in the communicative methodology. So, thanks for your attention and thanks for your participation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.